If you want to charge your Xiaomi 15T, then the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. In my case, I have this cable, but of course in your case you might have a different cable. As long as you have something that you can connect to, and something that provides the power through the USB cable, then of course you should be able to charge your phone. Ideally, you want to use a power adapter or charger. In my case, I have this one, and it works just fine. It has 33 watts, so it could be better. But this is the fastest way to charge your phone, by using a charger or power adapter. In this case, of course, we need to connect the cable to the power adapter. There we go. Then we connect it to the power. Then we try to connect. There we go. And of course, afterwards, we connect it to the bottom of the phone where we have the USB-C port. And there we go, we have charging. Now, in addition to that, of course, if you don't have a power adapter or charger, then you can use anything else that provides power through USB cable. For example, a computer or a car, power bank, something similar to that. So anything that can provide power through USB cable should work just fine to charge your phone. Unfortunately, wireless chargers do not work for Xiaomi 15T. We do not have wireless charging available on this phone, so you will not be able to use these. This is why we can only use the cable to charge our phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.